Oh my gosh. Umayos ka. Umayos ka naman. Uy. Ayun, ano pa yung video mo? Tita Susana. Alright. Yes, I'm going with your video. Okay. Ayaw mo? Ganyan ka na. Yes, Bianca. Hala, mister. Wait lang. Oh, you have your aquarium. That's great. Okay. Dito tayo. Nice to see you. Mas, ano daw? Oh yes, I have a lot of flowers in my, wait, I'm going to, wait a minute. There you go. Do you know this one? There you go. Meron, ayan, nanganak ito. Oh, there. Tubig lang ang mga yan. Yes, because I love indoor plants. Thank you. I just put them in inside of the water. Now, there you go.